Okay, guys, we're going to talk about water today, but we're not going to talk about it in the general sense of what you learned in chemistry, where you learned about the electron hungry oxygen and the two hydrogens and the types of bonds that they have and the interactions that they have. But that is something important to know. So I will link some stuff in this folder just for review. We also won't really talk about water in the sense of its importance in photosynthesis or cellular respiration, but again, these are concepts that you should know. We are just going to talk about water in the everyday we drink, we flush our toilets, and we love to see the dolphins swim in it, okay? So, planet Earth is known as the blue planet because of all the water, but it is still a closed system for matter. A closed system is a system that doesn't allow matter to be transferred in or out, okay? So basically that means that there are no spaceships dropping off supplies. When we run out of something, we're just out of it. So even though we have just all of this massive water on the planet, there are actually only two categories that they fall under. That is going to be salt water or fresh water. Those are the only two. No matter how dirty the fresh water is, no matter how clean looking the salt water is salt water because it has salt in it. Fresh water is fresh water because it does not. So we're going to talk about all the water on the planet, and we're going to start with our salt water. Salt water makes up 97% of the water on Earth and can be found in oceans and salt lakes. Problem with this is salt water is toxic to both plants and most animals. So that 97% is not a viable choice. And you'll learn a little bit more about what salt water does to the human body next.